Today, I'm going to show you how to prevent your gel nails from lifting. I'm going to focus on the cat of the nail, or the cuticle area, apex, and tip area of the nail. And I'm going to identify 3 top mistakes that lead to the premature lifting of your gel nail applications. These are the same 3 top mistakes I avoid in the salon to prevent my client nails from lifting. So keep watching. As I just mentioned, we're going to focus on the cat of the nail. CAT is the acronym I made to describe the cuticle, apex, and tip area of the nail. Let's begin our focus at the cuticle area. Key mistake number 1 of lifting gel nails is doing a water manicure before application. Let's just say you just dipped your nails in a bowl of water. Yes, they will absorb water, which means the nail will expand. Well, now add this to that equation. Most technicians who do a water manicure prior to gel application also buff the nail prior to submerging the fingers in water. Now, why is that important? Well, when you buff the nail, you essentially open it up to be porous. Yep, like a sponge. So when doing your cuticle work, avoid water manicures and other water-containing products, such as cuticle removers. By the way, I do have a full video tutorial on how to perform a waterless manicure. Let's now shift our focus to the tip of the nail. The second key mistake which leads to gel nail lifting is using a coarse nail file on the natural nail's free edge. Doing so opens up the layers of the nail. This creates weakness in the overall structure of the nail, but especially on that free edge. Inevitably, this will lead to gel lifting in that area, the free edge, because if the layers of the nail plate are displaced, eventually the gel will be also. And yes, by the way, your gel nail plate consists of multiple layers of keratin, not just one. So to avoid lifting due to the use of coarse files, stick to an emery board or a file with a grit not coarser than 180 grit. You'll see me doing this on my waterless manicure video, by the way. Lastly, let us focus on the apex of the nail. The number 3 key mistake that causes gel nails to lift is applying the gel base too thin. I want you to remember this because this will help with your frustration of gel nails lifting and breaking. Most of your clients do not have strong and thick nails. If they did, they would not come see you. So, if you skimp out on the base portion of the application, you are, from the get-go, setting you and your client's nails for failure. Those nails will not only lift, but are now also at a greater risk of breaking. So to avoid this key mistake, apply your gel base thick, but not just botch job thick, okay? Promise me. Self-level it. If you need the specific steps to this technique, self-leveling, watch my basic gel application video. Again, that's basic gel application in my YouTube channel here. Which now that I come to think about it, it's not so basic. Well, there you have them. 3 key mistakes that lead to your gel nails lifting. I hope that by breaking up the nail into its 3 main areas, cuticle, apex, and tip, you can analyze your procedures in the salon to see what mistakes you can avoid. And if you need me to take you step by step, don't forget to watch my waterless manicure and basic gel application videos. I hope this video helped you, and if you learned something new in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Just click on the subscribe button right now. And if you want exclusive techniques that I only share with subscribers, hop onto paolaponcenails.com and sign up to the newsletter. Now it's your turn. What technique from this video are you eager to try right now? Comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.